In this video, we are going to see how we can filter out the data as per your condition or as per this product name. Okay, so in manually we can do it with the using filter option, then as per the table, that is also. But whenever you have the repetitive task, you can just add your coding, or you write your coding and then perform it again and again, or with the using of recording macros, that is also possible. If you want to record from the developer tab, stop the recording, that save that recording and then use it again and again if you have the same data with the different values. But I want to do it now with the coding. Now let's see. After, go to the developer tab, Visual Basics, and click on that create insert a module. If I insert the module, that code editor will be displayed here. Now I want to filter a data, that's why I started with the sub then I gave it a name as a filter by product. Okay, filter by product. Now dimension is for the product as a string, because we are preferring product is as a string. If you have product as a range, you can prefer it as a range. Now product equal to, now product is as our string, so input box, I need input box to enter the product name, which as per which product you want to filter it out. Okay, so I preferred here as a enter your message box, like input box is that. Now from range where to where, A1 to D1, these are our auto filter, because I want to add here filter in the range of that. Now in the A1 to D11, this is our my whole data. Okay, the whole data is here. So this is a one by one steps. You can prefer wherever you have the range, you can give it range dot. If you want to filter, just dot filter. There all filters or all options are shown there. Then you choose the auto filter. Then again from where, this is our the filter options, but I want from where, at the whole data from A1 to D11. So that's why I failed here with the auto filter, and the category I choose as a product, and with the end with the sub. Now let's run of this one. Now you can see how it's work. I think I already saved this one. Let me check. Yeah, this one run. No, that apply condition I selected. Let me filter with the filter option. You have to choose from your filters. Okay, now here is the filter. Now you can see product name. Okay, I want a product A. Go to the product, go to the filter. Now you can see it automatically apply the all filters. Now you can see from A it's equals to this one. So when you automatically add your code, that will be performed. Or don't go to every time in a Visual Basic, just go to the developer and insert the button and assign it your macros. Okay, so that will also easy part whenever you want it as a assign here. Okay, don't go to the every time the Visual Basic and run that code. Okay, so just prefer to filter by product. Okay, so this code is assigning for that button, that's why. And whenever you click on this, that will perform as a which product you want to perform. Now you can see I want product B. Now click on OK, go to here and choose the whichever you want. Now you can see how easily you can perform your filtration of your data.